So what do I hit right when she starts? The red button?
Oh, it's already recording.
Oh. Get her to do it, Mom.
Ready? Come on, start talking. Ah!
Whoa, whoa. Uncle Patrick, get in here. You're twisting her neck. Do it when her little tongue sticks out. That's so cute.
You ready? You're a silly girl. What, do it? You were just doing it. You talk? Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. You don't want your toys, doggies. Can you do it for Mommy? Come on. No? Hey, get back here. Where are you going? Yeah? Ready? Alright, we'll show him your blanket tricks then. Get. Come here. Roll back. Come. Ooh. Ready? Where's the baby? Where? Don't be a stinker. Ooh. Okay. You behave.
He's going to get mad at how I'm doing this camera, but I'm trying to get her.
Ready? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There's the baby. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? What? There's the baby. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There's the baby. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There's the baby. Hey, doggies. Doggies all around attacking. Where's the baby? Oh, kicking and kicking. There's the baby.
Mika, where's your toe? Huh?
Okay, let's show Daddy the baby shake.
I think
You
she's
make me
getting
laugh?
tired.
You are tired.
Mika, 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 where's your daddy?
Where's Daddy?
Mika, she was just Mika, 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 do you want a massage? Does Mika want a massage? You're looking at your mommy.
Oh, let's see if we can get your sissy to. Nah. Ow! 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 Ow!
Aww.
You like Mommy's piggy noises, huh? Ow. Where you going?
Try that thing again for her to make that
Ready?
noise. So she... Boyd, you're so funny. He's like, what are you doing?
No. As soon as the camera comes out, you stop.
Good boy. Good boy, Boyd. You're okay. You're okay. Sit down.
boy, get your butt out of my face.
Come on. Ready? Come on. Look at that little tongue. I can't get her mouth because I'm like, okay.
Here. Can you do it? No, you're a stinker. Look at this big old